Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today I wanted to answer a simple question. How small can you make a useful camera light? I recently came across one of those orb style lights and thought there's no reason it has to be that big. So this is what I built. This is a fully 3D printed micro light. It can run on either a 5-watt LED like this one or a 10-watt LED. We will be building one of those. If you think that sounds small, wait until we turn it on. Yeah, that's not messing around. This features a 3-watt LED and a Type-C port, and it puts out a very usable amount of light. Here is a 360 orb diffuser I made, and the unit itself houses a DC motor control plus a 40 by 40 millimeter heatsink and fan. The real save here is the 3 mounting surfaces. I went ahead and designed a heatsink style pattern on the body of it. Why? Because it looks cool, and it actually does help with cooling while the device is mounted to a tripod. I try to catch all of the really bad design mistakes, but I often miss some. Let me know in the comments, what would you have done differently? On to the build. The housing is designed to be compact yet still functional. It features 3 1/4-20 inserts and a standard 5.5mm DC jack. The built-in dimmer control is from a motor controller. And this will feature active cooling from a heatsink and fan. Now we just wire up the LED, dimmer, and power, and mount it to the heatsink. The assembly on this is very simple. The back fan cover uses 4 M3 by 20mm screws, and the front cover uses 4 M3 by 15mm. That's it. If you enjoy builds like this, like and subscribe. Now this is where it gets interesting. The top of this assembly features a 2-inch inner diameter mount. This allows multiple mounting options for diffusers or reflectors. This is the 10-watt version at full power. Now I'm curious, would you actually use a 3D printed camera light? Or would you stick to a store-bought one? And more importantly, which diffuser would you use? The orb one or a directional? This project really came out better than I expected. If you enjoy builds like this, like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.